So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Monday, the 25th of June. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where price may likely go. So previously we had price coming out towards this 1263.15. We've had a brief bullish bounce towards that 1270. Had a brief consolidation, a couple of retests at 1270 before seeing a breakdown towards that 1264 it appears to be. And we are currently having another test of this 1270. So if we continue to encounter resistance in around 1270, we're looking for a move back down towards a 1263.15. Successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards a 1251. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, we might even see 1243 coming to focus here on the XAUUSD. If, however, we do see, let's get a scale on here, correct. If, however, we do see a break and hold of the 1270, we're looking for a move up towards a 1276, successful break from which 1280 may come into focus at 1279.42, and if there is the volatility to take us beyond the 1279.42 and also the 200 period moving average, we're looking for a move up towards that 1284. Overall, we're in a bit of a downtrend, but we do appear to be forming a bit of a base here on the XAUUSD. So if we can hold above the 1263, we might see a counter trend move here to the upside on the XAUUSD. Now, let's just have a look here at the higher time frames to see how prices have been developing. So we have a look here at the monthly chart, and over on this monthly chart, we can see here we had our lows, higher lows, but what we have seen more recently is we've formed slightly lower highs, and we do appear to have had an acceleration in downside momentum here from a monthly chart perspective on the XAUUSD, and we've seen these wicks to the upside, and we have seen candles closing closer to their lows here on the XAUUSD. So there remains a possibility of seeing a further retracement here to the downside on the XAUUSD. Now, let's just have a look here at the weekly chart. And as we can see here on this weekly chart, we've encountered the 400 period moving average, from which we have seen sell side momentum on quite a few occasions in the not too distant past. More recently, we did appear to be prices did appear to be in a bit of an uptrend, but we do appear to be breaking out of that to the downside here. So there remains a possibility of seeing prices retest our previous lows here in around the 1230s or so here on the XAUUSD. Now, we've had this consolidation from a weekly chart perspective before seeing this further breakdown, and we do seem poised for further breakdown from a weekly chart perspective here of the XAUUSD. So level of note is in around that 1236, towards that 1230s, and also where we do have the 400 period moving average sitting in the mid 1230s on the XAUUSD. And we'll have a brief look here at I'm not sure what has happened here. Oh, goodness me. So as we wait to load the charts, we're going to have a look here at the daily chart. The daily chart won't emphasize anything which I haven't already said, and pretty much on the daily chart we'll be targeting at 1236. I'll wait for it to all load up to show you on the chart, but there we are. So here we are. So we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart before wrapping up. So on this daily chart, we can see we posted this engulfing candle. We've had a follow through to the downside. We've had prices interact with 1263 Trade slightly below 1263. We do appear to be having a couple of tests of that 1270 now. On a daily chart perspective, we've also got 200, the 400 period moving average above us, so that could act as a further confluence and see further sell side momentum come into the market from where we are at present. But if we do see this continued breakdown, again, we'll be looking to see prices targets on last major swing low in around that 1236 here, 1236.47 on the XAUUSD. So with that said, that should pretty much wrap up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.